Today we discussed about plant taxonomy. First we discussed about classification of plants in plant taxonomy. Basically, three types of classifications are here. First classification is artificial classification of plant taxonomy. According to artificial classification, they were based on one or few comparable characters like morphology, nutritional habits, and etc. This classification, artificial classification, explained by Linnaeus. The Linnaeus explains sexual system of classification. The sexual system of classification explained in Historia Plantarum book. And the second classification is natural classification. They are based on overall resemblance, mostly gross morphology. The classification proposed by Bentham and Hookers is the nature one. The Bentham-Hookers scientist natural classification one explained Genera Plantarum book. And the third one is phylogenetic classification. These are the system proposed after the publication of Origin of Species. The classification made by Engler and Prantl and wrote one book, The Naturlichen Plangenfamilien. So these are the three types of classifications. One is artificial classification. Second one is natural classification. Third one is phylogenetic classification. Artificial classification mainly based on one or few comparable characters like morphology and nutritional habits. It similar to the Linnaeus sexual system of classification, and it explained in the book of Historia Plantarum. The natural classification, it is based on overall characters, mostly gross morphology. Gross morphology means total morphology from the beginning of seed germination to again seed protection. The classification proposed by the Bentham and Hooker is the natural one classification. They wrote one book, Genera Plantarum. The natural system of classification explained in the Genera Plantarum. And the third one is phylogenetic classification. These are the system proposed after the publication of Origin of Species. The classification made by Engler and Prantl, and he wrote one book, means the phylogenetic classification explained in the book, The Naturlichen Plangenfamilien. These are the three types of classifications in the plant taxonomy.